Hello everyone, how are you? How is your mood? How is your health? I hope you are good today. I'm your English teacher, Nurjamal Abdraym kızı. Grade 5, Unit 12, Lesson 4, Phonics and Spelling. Okay, as usual, before beginning the lesson, I wanted to play with you one game. This game is called Consonant Blends. In this game, you will complete these words. You will fill these words in the blank with the missing letter. For example, let's try it. Let's try to fill the first block, the second brain. Okay, try to complete. Try to fill with missing letters. After finishing, you will write in your dictionary copybook with Russian translation here. The next task for you. This task you will complete the sentences with the help of these sounds. For example, let's try to complete the first sentence. The baby began to crow before bedtime. Bedtime. The girl was wearing a blue dress. Like this here. You will complete and you can write into your exercise copybook. Okay. Now you will listen and point and repeat.
Listen and point.
Candle, castle, table, people, sandal, animal, hospital, cereal.
Listen and repeat.
Candle, castle, table, people, sandal, animal, hospital, cereal.
Okay, did you write? Now write down into your dictionary copybook with translation. Okay, now you will listen this text. While listening, you should pay attention to the sound L, and you will do exercise 4. In exercise 4, you can pay attention to the circled words in the circled words and put in correct boxes. While listening, you will do this exercise too. Okay, let's listen.
Listening 98. Listen and read. Number 1.
Many years ago, some people lived in castles. Look at the picture. Can you see a woman wearing a purple dress and sandals? On the table, there is a bowl of apples and a basket full of cereals. There are lots of candles because there weren't any lights many years ago.
Number 2.
This hospital is for animals. Vets work here and many sick animals stay here to get better.
Okay, did you complete? Did you put the words in correct box? Okay, I hope you did it. The next now, you will watch a video. You will get some information about the sound l. Okay, let's watch carefully.
How do I know whether to use LE or AL when I hear OO at the end of a multisyllabic word? Well, use LE if the OO is part of the base word. Juggle, candle, purple or bottle. Use AL if you are adding on a suffix. Magic, magical, festive, festival. Be careful of the exceptions like towel, animal and medal. It also helps to know that BLE, DLE, FLE, GLE, PLE, TLE and ZLE rule.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Now, I have one story for you. And while watching, while looking this story, you can write this verse into your dictionary copybook. Okay, let's listen together.
Little. Hello. Apple. Little apple. Table. Middle. Middle of the table. Little apples, come to the middle of the table. Story time. Once upon a time, a bad little apple left the table. The bad little apple went for a swim in a puddle. But apples cannot swim, and an eagle got him. Did the eagle eat the bad little apple? No, he dropped the bad little apple into the jungle. And the tickle pickle got the bad little apple. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple. And the tickle pickle tickles and tickles the bad little apple forever. In the end, the good little apples don't leave the table. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple. Bad little apple, do-do.
Okay, did you like it? Did you write this verse into your dictionary copybook? I hope you wrote. Okay, now I have one listening task for you. While listening, you will write this verse into your dictionary copybook.
Welcome to Early Learners, featuring Oh, Tickle, Tick, Oh, Tickle, Tickle, the little girl tickle the little boy's feet with a feather. Tickle, tickle his feet. Tickle. Bundle. And bundle. Bundle. Bundle of sticks. Bundle. Bundle of sticks. Bottle. 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 A baby bottle. Baby bottle. Buckle. 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 A belt buckle. Belt buckle. Handle. 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 Handle on the teapot. The handle. Pickle. 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 Green pickle. Puzzle. Puzzle. Buzz. Puzzle. 4 pieces of a puzzle. Puzzle. Middle. Middle. Mid. Middle. Middle. The spider is in the middle of the web. And the arrow is in the middle of the bullseye. Middle. Middle.
Okay, did you write? If you write, you can translate into your own language. your homework. Your homework from your workbook. The first exercise, match the words with the pictures. The next task from your workbook 2, exercise 2, complete the sentence. And the next exercise, exercise 3, read the class book and answer the following questions. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.